before, but more for insulation or carpets. And again, you can see he does have horns. It's just the daddy sheep in this breed that have the horns. The females don't have any. And they have a lovely grey fleece. Wool, but actually when they are born completely black. They then spend their next year of life with their head getting lighter, their legs getting lighter, and once they've had their first year at a year old, that's when they turn to grey. So they are quite a hardy breed of sheep, and they definitely don't mind the wetter, colder weather we have here. And these guys will get them some extra food. But that is the end of the show, guys. Thanks for coming down to learn a little bit about our different breeds of sheep here on the farm. The sheep will be here if you want to take any photos or ask any questions. Unfortunately, you just can't come up on stage. They do get a little bit protective of their food. Our next animal show will be the 4 o'clock pig race. So do come down if you didn't miss the earlier one. And do have a lovely rest of the day. Thanks.
Like, share and subscribe to me channel, Cutosniya. Please! Thank you all!
Before we start the run, I want to make sure you are all please listen carefully. Make sure you will stay in all times. There's an on the six. Hold on tight, because the ride can be rather bumpy. Make sure you hold on to all your belongings.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Cutosniya. Please! Thank you all! Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Cutosniya. Please.